How do you put on the bonus cock ring and ball stretcher? How do I put it on safely and correctly? Today I'll be showing you how to do just that. The cock ring and ball stretcher from the bonus collection is a fantastic addition to your collection. This cock ring and ball stretcher makes sure that your penis and balls are pushed forward in a provocative way. It's very simple and easy to use, and it's made of liquid silicone, so it's soft, stretchy, and feels stimulating and comfortable during use. Today, I'm going to be showing you, using the realistic dildo from the Easy Toys collection, how to do this. As you can see, this is how it should correctly look on your penis and balls. The thickest part should be over the top just here, whilst the other rings are around your penis and under the balls itself. There are 3 rings in total, and this provides intense stimulation during use. When using this cock ring and ball stretcher, your testicles will swell up, making them even more sensitive. So this is the cock ring and ball stretcher itself. Stretchy and stimulating. It's also very soft and smooth to the touch, as mentioned earlier. So let's put this on correctly. So as you can see, this is the biggest ring we have, and there are 2 small rings. What you're going to do is, using the underneath ring here, the smallest, push it through the smallest ring first, but not the biggest. Push it through the second ring, leaving the largest ring alone. Gently push it down, and make sure you take your time with this. This is a slow process. Once you've reached the base of your penis, what you're going to do with the large ring is put under your balls. Then you can adjust as needed for a stimulating experience. It's very simple and easy to move around and adjust as well. The rings are extra thick for maximum comfort. When using this cock ring and ball stretcher, we highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use, and for this we highly recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Did you find this video helpful? Why not have a look at our other videos in this collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not write your question below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.